Okay, now I notice how there's these on here. Let me move this on over here. Maybe this one's a little bit thicker than that, but that's okay. There's the little branches that shoot off, so we'll take some of this extra, roll it into a ball, and then start to roll it out by just putting my hands flat and just rolling it. If I want this end to be a little bit more narrower, then just take my finger and just kind of make it a little bit more pointed there. And then take a little bit of water. So say I want it to come from here, kind of up here, that's where you would place the water. Place it on the side of the tree trunk and bring it up. And then I use this tool to kind of blend it in here, like it's actually part of that. Okay, so there's one, and we'll have one coming up here on the other side at the top. So again, a ball, kind of roll it out. So by just having this narrower, again, my hand's just kind of at a slight angle when I roll it, keeping this part a little bit thicker. And that's going to be way too long, so all I have to do is pinch a little bit of it off. Place a little water there. Okay, I'll show you using just the toothpick. Toothpick's a little bit harder to get in there because it actually tears. If you look at it there, it actually kind of tears the fondant a little bit more than this one. Just kind of, it blends just a little bit better when you use that. But if you don't have something like this, you just have to improvise. Okay, and then the next one, notice the one that the monkey is actually holding on to, sticking out a little bit. Like going, how'd she do that? Spaghetti! Hey, spaghetti! So we need some spaghetti. And all we do is take a little piece of this off. Again, roll it into a ball. And then roll it out. Okay, and then at this point, I take, and that piece might be a little short. It's better to actually have the spaghetti be a little longer because you can always snap a little of it off. Now I take this and I put a little bit of water on it. Insert it into the wider end of the branch and go ahead and stick that in. Okay, and then you just kind of pinch it a little here to secure it. And then just kind of pop it down before you put it up there, and that's when you can actually do your little texturing. It's a little easier to do here than once it's on there. And then we'll take this, and this is probably going to be a little long now, so all I have to do is just snap a little of that off. Take it and then just insert it into the tree trunk. Take a little water, and when they're joined, place a little water there. And just by, see how I did that? All I did is kind of pinched it and moved the branch a little, just to give it a little, you don't want it to just be, straight right on the spaghetti. Just by moving it a little, gave it, the branch more movement, a little bit more realistic. And then we'll go ahead and add a little bit more of the roots down here. And do the same thing like we were going to do a branch. Only take it and place it down here at the bottom. Like that. Just kind of push it in there. Blend it together.